Why does your scanner show the P1012 engine code? What does it mean? P1012 is a diagnostic trouble code for fuel pump delivery pressure too high. This engine code indicates that the specific meaning can vary by manufacturer, so consulting your vehicle's service manual or a professional is crucial for accurate diagnosis and repair. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: blocked or damaged lines, faulty fuel filter, high-pressure fuel pump issues, fuel leaks, malfunctioning fuel pressure sensor. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture. Since 1996, it is commonly found in Dodge Ram vehicle. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.